Right. In here we have the PIC ICD5 integrated debugger, a nice stainless sticker on it, USB-C, so it should be a bit faster, Ethernet, which, you know, remote debugging, and probably quite handy for the production line, and also I would imagine continuous integration, although one may wish to keep a PC next to it for CI purposes, for serial ports and stuff like that anyway. And we have the connector for the different debuggers here. It's about a little bit bigger than the old Realize 3, I suppose. USB-C cable. Oops. In here we have the adapter for the different types of cables, things like the JTAG, the SWI cable and stuff like that. So that should give us quite a range to work with. The old Realize had a lot on it as well, actually. That had things for logic analysis as well, connectors for that. And in here we have a range of cables. That one looks like I think that one's for JTAG. Or is that one the JTAG? We've got a number of them. In particular, the one which I'll be using straight away is this fella here. And finally, we've got a little sticker, a couple of stickers in there for the laptop or whatever. Not sure I'll worry about that. Nothing else in the box. It's a recycled cardboard box by the looks of things, which is good. And that's it. That's our ICD5. And I'm going to get using it straight away in the next hour or two.